Good morning, and thank you for joining us this week's market headlines, provided by iFOREX.
OPEC ended its Vienna meeting without making changes to its production ceiling, but the bullish comments from Saudi Arabia gave some hope for gains for crude. US Department of Labour stated that initial jobless benefits were lower by 1,000 to 267,000 from the previous week's total of 268,000. According to Amazon's CEO Jeff Bezos, the company doesn't consider Netflix as its rival, as consumers pay for both services separately and thus they cannot be considered competitors. According to the ADP National Employment Report, private sector employment increased by 173,000 jobs, which will most likely support further gains for the dollar against the euro. Japanese jobless rate showed a 3.2% in April's reading, showing no change from the previous month, staying in line with market forecasts. Gold might find some support as investors continue to digest US data releases for clues for the next rate hike. After recovering from previous losses suffered by an increase in oil prices, the Standard & Poor's 500 is expected to make gains as US private employees' data increases. On Monday, Fed Chair Yellen will make a public statement regarding the monetary policy and world affairs at 15:30 GMT. On Tuesday, Australian cash rate will be released at 5:30 GMT with a previous reading of 1.75%. On Wednesday, UK manufacturing production will be published at 9:30 GMT with a previous reading of 0.1%. On Thursday, US unemployment claims will be released at 13:30 GMT with a previous reading of 267,000. On Friday, Canadian employment change will be published at 13:30 GMT with a previous reading of minus 2.1 thousand. On Friday, US prelim UOM consumer sentiment will be released at 15:30 GMT with a previous reading of 94.7.
That's all for this week's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here at iFOREX, we wish you a productive trading day.